Hey, what's up guys? My name is Eddie Gonzalez and today we're gonna visit one of the biggest manufacturing companies of protective gloves in the world. Are you ready? Come with me!
Hi Eddie, nice to meet you.
Sky, nice to meet you. I know you have some of the best protective gloves in the market and we wanted to come and check them out.
Come with me. Come please, let me show you our sample room.
Look at all those gloves.
Yes, we have the various gloves like the anti-impact, anti-cut, anti-static for the different jobs.
That's why it's really important to know exactly the level of protection that you need for your job. So Sky, I see you guys have the Ocotex, huh?
Yeah.
Ocotex is a special kind of certificate from Europe, right?
Yes, all the materials are environmental friendly.
Speaking of materials, what is this one made of?
It's made by the nylon and spandex liner.
How about these black dots?
It's the natural coating. It can provide a very good grip in the oily environment. Would you want to try this, Andy?
Yeah, sure. Let's give it a shot. It's funny because when I wore gloves before, it usually feels like hot and rough, but this one feels pretty smooth and breathable.
Yeah, the foam natural coating is breathable coating. You can keep hands dry and nice.
So Sky, I see that this glove looks a little bit different from the previous one.
Yeah, it's the anti-cut glove.
What is it made of?
Made up by the HP liner.
Okay.
Do you want to try this?
Sure. Let's try. Okay, I can definitely tell that this one feels rougher, but not that bulky, and still provides a good sense of flexibility for your fingers and your wrists to move freely.
It's protecting your hands from getting cut. Do you want to try this in our lab?
Sure, let's go.
Let's go.
Wanna join us?
Please. Thank you. Welcome to our lab.
All right, what do we got here, Sky?
All the test machines here are used to comply with quality check based on the EN 388 standard. Let me show you the anti-cut machine.
Is that piece of cloth the same?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So what Sky and his team did right now was to cut a small piece of the same glove for us to test it.
Let my assistant to show you how to test. Eddie, let me show you the next test, abrasion test.
So what Sky's assistant has, she cut a small part of the palm of the glove and we are about to test it.
Finally, let me show you the last two tests. Eddie, this is the tear resistance test. This is the puncture test. It tests the long lasting for the fabric.
So Sky, did we pass the test?
Let me check it.
Right, let's check.
Oh, it passed the unseen level A4.
There you go, we passed the test. You know, Sky, with advancements in technology, it's very important to protect the environment.
Yes, this is how we produce. Here with the wastewater from the dipping line to protect the environment.